Rare opportunity to own an all-brick, basement ranch, with a partial mountain view and Panorama Estates. Enter this well-maintained home via the covered front porch or the 2-car garage to find an open floor plan with 3 nicely sized bedrooms and 2 baths on the main level. Vaulted ceilings give you the sense of space with a living room/dining room/kitchen combination that was built to entertain. The lower level has a large bonus room and 2 additional garages with plenty of room for a workshop. The outdoor space includes a large East Tennessee flat yard, an oversized covered porch made of Trex, a secluded hot tub area, fire pit, and a koi pond. Additional features include a separate storage building, a pad to park your camper with electrical, and a perfect carport to store your boat.